Monzo offers a credit card, Monzo Flex, in the UK, allowing you to spend now and pay later in flexible installments, 0% interest on some plans, or longer terms with interest. It's not available in all countries and requires eligibility checks. Here's a step-by-step guide. Get the official Monzo app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play, Android. Sign up for a Monzo Current account if you don't have one. Free, quick ID verification with passport and photo ID plus selfie. Check eligibility in the app. Open the app, go to the home screen or tap the card icon, bottom menu. Look for Monzo Flex or Credit section, may appear as a banner or under Add a Card. Tap Check Eligibility or apply for Monzo Flex. Monzo performs a soft credit check, no impact on your score, to see if you qualify, based on credit history, income, affordability. Apply if eligible. If approved, fill in basic details, employment status, income, monthly expenses. Monzo runs a hard credit check. This appears on your credit file. Monzo runs a hard credit check. This appears on your credit file. Set your credit limit. Monzo suggests, based on your profile, you can request lower or higher. Choose card design, standard or premium metal if eligible. Agree to terms. Submit application. Approval and card delivery. Decision is usually instant or within minutes, rarely a few hours. If approved, virtual card appears immediately in-app for online or mobile payments. Physical card arrives by post in 3 to 10 working days. Free standard delivery. Activate in-app. Start using.